What's in your pocket? Leatherman Skeletool or FREE P2? Skeletool wins on the coolness factor. Better blade, has interchangeable bits. FREE P2 has one hand operation, far better ply head with a proper long nose pliers, and interchangeable cutting blades. Of course, it comes with a scissors that's very serviceable. You can cut pull ties, cardboard, and thin cloth. And while it doesn't have the interchangeable bits, there is a mod that you can do with a 1/4-inch socket adapter, which goes on and allows you regular interchangeable bits. Hands down winner, FREE P2.